Good morning, students. So, in today's class, we will discuss about counting figures. Counting figures is an easy topic. So, in this, we should find the number of squares in the given figure, or we should find the number of rectangles in the given figure, or we should find the triangles in the given figure. Okay, these type of questions will be there. So to solve these counting figures, there are some techniques. Okay, so these techniques and these shortcuts are only for the sequence figures. Okay, that means only squares will be there in a same figure, or only rectangles are there in a same figure, or only triangles will be there in a same figure. So for the sequence figure, we can easily identify by using these tricks. Okay. For suppose they may give another combined diagram. That means square and rectangle are in same diagram, or there is no particular shape for the given figure. So for that figures, you should only count the number of squares, rectangles, or triangles. You should count and you should find. For the sequence figures only, the tricks will be used. Okay, for the other figures, you can count and you can find the answer. So this topic, uh, this topic is very easy topic. Some of the figures you can easily solve. So let us first talk about the rectangle. Rectangle first. So in rectangle, let us take like this. Okay, we should from this figure we should find that how many rectangles are there in this figure. Okay, firstly let us know how many rows and how many columns are there in the figure. Here 1, 2. These are the columns. 1, 2. These are the rows. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. Now we should do that. We should add 1 plus 2. How much? 3. Next we should add the rows also. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Now we should multiply the answers. 3 3 is 9. So there are 9 rectangles in the given rectangle. Okay, these are in the sequence, so we can easily find them by this formula. First we should add the rows, and next we should add the columns. The both answers we should multiply. Okay, so here 9 rectangles are there. Let us find them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6. Next. 7, 8. The big triangle is 9. So total there are 9 rectangles. Okay. So we should find, we cannot find by counting all the triangles. It may take more time, but you can simply use this trick and you can solve easily. So let us do another example. Now here 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. Simply, first let us add row or column. Row. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Next, let us add the columns. 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much? 6. 6 into 6, 36. So, in this figure, there are 36 rectangles. Okay. In this figure, there are 36 rectangles. So by counting also, the same answer will come for you. Next, another figure. Okay, here number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of rows 1, 2, 3. So let us add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. First we added the columns. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Next, rows 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So 10 into 6 equal to 60. So in this figure there are 60 rectangles. Okay, in this figure there are 60 rectangles. When you count also, the 60 rectangles only will come in the given figure. Understand? Did anyone having doubt in the rectangle? If you have any doubt, please message here. Okay, no doubts. Okay. So let us move to the another shape, that is, okay, let us do another one. Like this, they given the question. So same process. Okay, 1, 2. There are two columns. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Next, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows. Okay, there are 4 rows. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much? 10. So 10 into 3 equal to 30. So there are 30 rectangles in the given figure. Okay, these are the sequence figures. So we can easily use this trick and we can easily find the number of rectangles. Okay, next. Next, let us do about square. Square. Okay. So in square also we will find the number of rows and number of columns. 1, 2, 2. Okay. After that, we should multiply. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. Here 1 into 1 equal to 1. So 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. So there are 5 squares in the given square. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the big square is 5. So there are 5 squares in the given figure. So in rectangles, first we added the rows and columns and we did multiplication. But in square, first we are doing multiplication and after we are adding the values. Another example. So like this, they given the square and they tell that how many squares are there in the given figure. So same process, let us find the number of rows and number of columns. So there are 4 rows and 4 columns. So we should multiply like this. 4 into 4, 16. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. 23. So there are 30 squares in the given figure. Okay, there are 30 squares in the given figure. For suppose rows and columns are not equal. Okay, rows and columns are not equal. What we should do? Like this, they given. So number of columns are 4, number of rows are 3. So here we should multiply like this. 4 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 1. Okay. Like this we should add. Okay. When the rows and columns are equal, 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, 1 into 1 we are doing. When the rows and columns are not equal, 4 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 1 we should do. So let us add this 20. There are 20 squares in the given figure. Okay. So like this also they may give. Here we did that number of there are more columns and less rows. So now let us do the columns are less and rows are more. Okay, there are 3 columns and 4 rows. Now how we should do? So same process, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, or 3 into 2, next 2 into 1. Both are the same process, both, okay, 2 into 1. So 20 is the answer. Okay, there are 20 squares in the given figure. So we should find the number of squares like this when the squares are in the sequence. Sequence means like this, rows and columns, when the shape is like this for rectangle and square. Now let us find the, okay, another example we will do. So another model is there in the square, that is, so like this, when diagram is given like this, how we should find? So number of squares, they ask the number of squares are there in the given figure. Okay. So previously we discussed that when in the square, when the plus is given, the value is 5. That means when the square plus is there, the value is 5. Here, how many squares are there like that? In square, there is a plus symbol, and this in the big square, there is a plus symbol. That means, so in this, we should find that 5. For the small figure, there are 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, big square is 5. In another square, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, big square is 5. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So there are 10 squares in the given figure. Okay, there are 10 squares in the given figure. If they are given 3 squares like this, so 5 plus 5 plus 5, how much? 15. So there are 15 squares in the given figure. So anyone having squares doubt? No doubt? Okay. Let us move to the another shape, that is triangle. So in triangle, there are 2 models, 3 models, okay. So firstly, step triangle. When the triangle is in these steps, so the number of steps is equal to the number of triangle. That means 1, 2, 3. There are 3 steps in the given triangle. So the total number of triangles in the given figure is 3. That means 1, 2, and last 3. So there are 3 triangles in the given figure. If they are given like this, how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps are there. So there are 5 rectangles in the given figure. So number of steps equal to number of triangles in the given figure. Next, for suppose they give like this. So here, we will use the process same we used in the rectangle. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much? 10. So there are 10 triangles in the given figure. So let us count. This is first triangle. This is second triangle, third triangle, fourth triangle. Okay. Next, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next, 8, 9, and the big triangle is 10. So total there are 10 triangles in the given figure. Okay. If we did like this, for suppose this given 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much? 6. So there are 6 triangles in the given figure. So when step triangle is given, we find how many steps are there equal to number of steps equal to number of triangles in the given figure. So here number of side triangles. So sum of the side triangles equal to number of triangles. Okay. When both step triangle and side triangle is given, what we should do? So here both step triangle given and also side triangle also given. So first find number of side triangles. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much? 6. Now find number of step triangles. 1, 2, 3. So total 3. 6 3 is 18. So there are 18 triangles in the given figure. Okay. Same, we should find the how many side triangles are there into number of step triangles. 6 into 3 equal to 18. So there are 18 triangles in the given figure. This is the process. So this is the first, this is second model. This is the first model and this is the second model. And the last model of the triangle is in squares. They ask to find that number of triangles are there in the given figure. Okay. In this, we should find that how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 2 we should do 8. So there are 8 triangles in the given figure. Let us count. These are 4 triangles and this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 triangles in the given square. Okay. So another example. Like this they're given. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 2 equal to 16. So how many lines they will give? That many into 2 you should do. So 8 into 2, 16. There are 16 triangles in the given figure. Okay. So this is the process to find the number of squares, number of rectangles or number of triangles. So these are the sequence figures. So in sequence figures, you should find the number of squares, number of rectangles and number of triangles like this. Okay. This maximum this topic is will come less in the Sainik exam. Okay. But don't worry about this topic. Simply practice only these type of questions. So you take of your own questions. So number of rows, you increase number of rows and number of columns and you can easily find the answers and you can easily practice the questions. So this is the counting figures topic. So in next class, we will discuss about a new topic. Thanks.